let's test the time it takes this Grill Lover digital thermometer to reach proper temperatures. We have room temperature water, ice water, which should be 32 degrees Fahrenheit, and boiling water over here should be 212 Fahrenheit. Let's start with this ice water. It's in for a minute. Let's go in there. Nope. There we go. A few seconds longer than I would like. That's about right there. Now we're going to go to the boiling water. Okay, so it's quite reasonable. A few seconds. I don't have a timer here, but my hand didn't burn. That's good. Now, room temperature water. Okay. So it appears to take longer to go to cooler than hotter, which is okay because when you do food, you're looking for hotter. And you see the tip here isn't even all the way in. It's only went into about right there, and it still read it accurately. That sums it up.